It's time for your Spanish grammar test. I know. We're Spring Spanish and we teach chunks, not grammar. But actually, we want to teach you the grammar through chunks. Wonder how that works? Take this test. I'm Maura from Spring Spanish and I have 30 grammar questions for you that we consider important. Every grammar topic will be quizzed through a chunk. And at the end, you'll decide on your level of Spanish grammar. En sus marcas, listos, fuera. Número 1. The basic level. Question number 1. Mucho gusto. Blank. Camila. Correct answer. Mucho gusto. Mi nombre es Camila. You do have more alternatives for this one and any of the others would work just fine. Number 2. Y blank. Correct answer. Y tengo 25 años. Number 3. Blank, Uruguay. Correct answer. Soy de Uruguay. Number 4. Actualmente, blank, Ecuador. Correct answer. Actualmente vivo en Ecuador. Number 5. Vivo en Ecuador, blank. Correct answer. Vivo en Ecuador con mi mejor amiga. Number 6. Y blank. Correct answer. Y nuestros 2 gatos. Number 7. Blank en la universidad. Correct answer. Estudio biología en la universidad. 8. Mientras, blank, en un restaurante de sushi. Correct answer. Mientras, trabajo como mesonera en un restaurante de sushi. There are different alternatives to say waitress in Spanish, like mesera, camarera. So the important part here is that you get the trabajo como. Number 9. Blank, pintar, hacer senderismo y cocinar con mis amigos. Correct answer. Me gusta pintar, hacer senderismo y cocinar con mis amigos. Number 10. Blank y sigo aprendiendo. Correct answer. Hablo un poco de español y sigo aprendiendo. There's also a bunch of alternatives you can use to establish your Spanish level. You can check those options right here. I really recommend creating your own little story with these chunks, meaning cambia los nombres, los países y las aficiones por los tuyos. That way, you'll already have a ton of chunks you can use to talk about yourself in a way that it's easy to remember and flexible enough that you can rearrange as needed. For extra points, try filling in the blanks for the following alternatives to the previous chunks and leave it in the comments. I'll make sure to check them. Blank, Camila. Blank, principiante. By the way, stick with me till the end if you want to know how to get one more extra point, plus how to rate yourself for this test. Número 2. The intermediate level. We do have other videos that can help you test other parts of your Spanish. The one for vocabulary, for example, is right here. Es que no te lo vas a creer. Perdón que... Blank. Correct answer. Perdón que estoy comiendo. Ayer, blank, y blank. Correct answer. Ayer hablé con Freddy y me dio una excelente noticia. blank, que hizo, blank, aplicación, blank, nuevo trabajo. Correct answer. Me dijo que hizo una aplicación a un nuevo trabajo. Blank. En menos de un mes le den respuesta. Correct answer. Probablemente en menos de un mes le den respuesta. Si todo, blank, se, blank, muy pronto. Correct answer. Si todo va bien, se mudará muy pronto. Me dijo que, blank, pronto para contarte los detalles. Correct answer. Me dijo que te llamará pronto para contarte los detalles. Again, adapt the extra information in these chunks to yourself. Create your own little story, including future and past, so you'll have a solid base you can use and expand from in each tense. Chunk alert! No te lo vas a creer. It's the perfect medium-level extra chunk you can get out of this lesson. It is absolutely messy to translate this literally in English. La buena noticia es que you don't have to understand the grammar to be able to use it. Use it exactly as it is to let someone know you're about to tell them something incredible. That link in the description gives you access to our free Essential Spanish Chunking Kit, which is full of everyday chunks you don't have to understand to be able to start using right now. Make sure to check it out. Number 3, the advanced level. Now, as you can see, most of the difficulty in these levels lies in the tenses. That also tells you that the tenses in the first levels are more necessary than the ones in this level. That is to say, básico no significa pobre. Todo lo contrario. It means the foundation which you cannot live without. Question number 1. ¿Cuántas veces blank? Correct answer. ¿Cuántas veces has visto Harry Potter? Personally, more than I can count. Número 2. ¿Te ves cansado? Blank. Correct answer. ¿Te ves cansado? ¿Has estado durmiendo mal? Número 3. Ojalá no, blank, mañana. Correct answer. Ojalá no llueva mañana. This one does need the scary subjuntivo, but the trick to know that is quite simple. Just use the subjunctive with ojalá every time. Of course, we also have a video about that you can check out here. Número 4. Blank, iremos, blank. Correct answer. Vamos al supermercado, iremos en carro. Take into account that I'm from Venezuela, so I do say carro, but there are other alternatives for this word. Número 5. ¿Te gustan las flores? Blank, esta mañana. Correct answer. ¿Te gustan las flores? Las compré esta mañana. Número 6. Sí, blank, seguro te contesta. Correct answer. Si lo llamas ahora, seguro te contesta. Número 7. No fui porque no me invitaron. Sí, blank, habría ido. Correct answer. No fui porque no me invitaron. Si me hubiesen invitado, habría ido. Me hubieran would have worked as well. Hubiesen and hubieran are interchangeable. Número 8. No quiero ir, pero blank. Correct answer. No quiero ir, pero tengo que. Número 9. Que haga lo que quiera. A mí me da blank. Correct answer. Que haga lo que quiera. A mí me da igual. Saying me da lo mismo would be another possible alternative. Talking about alternatives, if you want that extra point, how about leaving an alternative to de nada in the comments? Now, you have 30 questions in this test, meaning you need at least 15 correct answers to pass. Plus, you have 3 opportunities to gain 3 extra points. Since it's separated by levels, you'll have an idea of whether your Spanish is basic, intermediate, or advanced. Hay algunos temas gramaticales que son súper difíciles en español. 4 are particularly difficult. I want to tell you which ones they are and how to make them really easy. Let's start with the verb tenses here.